Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to dive into a fascinating history about the Miami Auto Show featuring the Beatles and Volkswagen Miami community. So let me introduce you to this movement. The Volkswagen has a rich history in Miami, and it's not just about cars, it's about the people who have built and maintained this community over the years. This history is about growth, brotherhood, and how the Miami crew has evolved over time. The VW Miami community has become a symbol of this growth, and it's a testament to the resilience and spirit of the people who call Miami home. So, if you are interested in learning more about this amazing history, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel on the right down corner of this screen so you can see a lot more exciting content. Now, let's get started with the real deal.